You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to mine any cryptocurrency on your PC. So what you need to do now is you need two things. The first thing you need is your wallet, and the second one you need is there's a site called Unmineable. So you just need to go to Google and search Unmineable. This is your mineable. Let's click it. As you can see, it has opened. So you just need to click this on mineable site, click it like this. It will show the bar, the different cryptocurrency that we can mine on our system. As you can see, we have Dogecoin, we have Apto, we have Terra Classic, we have Casper, we have Ape. Any cryptocurrency you think of, you can mine. Look at the BTC here. We have BTC here, we have BNB, we have Bitcoin Cash. So with the help of this site, we can be able to mine all these in our system. But for today's tutorial only, we will only be mining Dogecoin, which is the first one. So what we need to do now is just to click on this particular Dogecoin. As you can see, they ask you to fill some information, but this is not what we need. So what we need right away is click on this mineable. Click on this icon. Just click on it. So it will take you back to the home page to see all the cryptocurrency you can mine in this site. So, but for today, we are going to mine Dogecoin. But before that, we need to download this software, the software of this site. So you just need to click on this get started. Once you click on get started, it's going to show you this. So once this page open, click on this MFI fashion. So this fashion supports, if you can read if you can read it through, you can see something like Phone Phoenix Mixer. So this first one, you click it. As you can see, it's already started downloading here. As you can see, you can see my arrow, you can see it started downloading. So once the thing finished downloaded, so you just need to open it. But before then, there is something you need to do on your system before you can download this file, because your system malware will not allow you to download it if you put it on. So you need to have your system malware. So also you need to off any antivirus antivirus that you're using on your system before you can do it. So, but for me, I've already off my antivirus and also the malware protection. I've already off them out. So that's why I can easily download this file. So let's click it, open a folder. So once we open it in folder like this, we need to extract the file. So once we extract the file, I'm just saying how to install it. So we need to extract the file. Look at it. Click on extract file. So you just need to click OK. As you can see, the file has already been extracted here. So we open the file. Once we open the file, this is the app that we need to use to mine our any cryptocurrency that we need. So as you can see, it just but sometimes if you don't forget, if you don't have your antivirus protection or malware protection, so you won't see this thing. That antivirus will block this too. So but once you have it, you can find it here like this. So you just need to double click on it. Once you double click on it, it's going to show you to install it. So just click on next, then install. Let's wait for it to finish installing. Let's wait for it. Almost finished. As you can see, you see there's a notification here. So it's telling me that I'm trying to install something. I even have not closed it. I won't be able to install this particular application. So, and it's because I've already off malware protection. That's why it brought this notification that app and browser control potential unwanted app found. So if I click it like this, it will just show me this same application I just installed. So let's just click on finished. Let's ignore this. So you click on finish. So once you click on finish this, the app will automatic open by itself. So once this app open like this, what you need to do, it shows it because I have tested this application yesterday to show whether it's going to mine Dogecoin for me. But for you, it will show this. You understand? So let me just stop it. Then I will go back. This is where it's going to show at your whole hand here. So we have graphic card, we have GPU, and we also have CPU. But for you, you need to click on this CPU, then you click on next. So once you click on next, it will ask you to select the coin that you are intended to mine on your PC. So for me, I want to mine Dogecoin. I'm mining all these cryptocurrency you see here, you can mine here. So I want to mine Doge coin. So I'm gonna select Dogecoin. So look at it here. I'm not mining baby Doge, I'm mining Dogecoin. So once I select it, I need enter your wallet. So this is another thing that we needed here. So we just need, if you have Trust Wallet before, you need to go to your Trust Wallet and copy your wallet address and put it in this and put it here. So it's because me, I've started this since yesterday. I tried it and see whether the thing is gonna work out, and it's working out. So that's why I'm trying to show every one of you, if you can just start mining the Dogecoin right now with your PC. You can mine hundred of Dogecoin within some months, free of charge. But don't forget, this particular mining can drain your system, and it can drain everything about your system. So you just need to take note of that. So, but for this site, it's very easy for you to mine. So what you need to do is just go ahead to your Trust Wallet. If you don't have Trust Wallet before, just try to download one. This is a Trust Wallet here. Try to download one, and once you try to download one, you click on Create Wallet. Once you click on Create Wallet, so you copy your wallet or your Doge address and you fix it here. You put it here. So once you put it here, this is my own. So once you put it here, you click on Start. Once you click on Start, you can see this one. I tried this yesterday, yesterday night. So I just mine for like an hour and I stop it. So I'm just testing it. So as you can see, it started this. That started mining. So um if you want to track your this thing, how far is the mining? So you just need to copy your address here. As you can see, it has start mining. You see, I'm getting 300 and something hash rate per second. The minimum amount you can withdraw from this site is 30 Dogecoin. Once you mine 30 Dogecoin, once your balance reach 30 Dogecoin, you can withdraw it to your wallet. Don't forget the wallet you put the wallet you put to this website is where you can withdraw your Dogecoin to. So I will show you how to withdraw the Dogecoin whenever you reach the minimum withdrawal. So this is how you this is how you withdraw. Just and copy your wallet and copy your Doge address. So for me, it's because I'm a PC. I'm on PC, so that's why it shows like this. So you will be using mobile phone to copy your wallet. So just head over to your wallet and click on Doge, then click on receive. Then here is my own wallet. I'll just copy this, but I'm just showing you how to copy your own personal wallet. Then you head over back to this app. Then you put it here. This particular this side here. Just once you put your own wallet here, you click start. So once you click on start, the app will start mining for you. It will start mining Dogecoin. So, but the minimum you can withdraw is you can see payout from 30 Dogecoin, as you can see here. So this is the minimum they can pay you once this my balance reach 30 Dogecoin now. So they will just send it to this my wallet. So I will show you how to withdraw now. So how do you withdraw? So this is how you can withdraw your mining coin. So you can just go back to the site that you download this app. So once you go back, just click on this. So once you click on this, then you click on this particular Doge coin, Doge. So once you click on it, just scroll down. Did you see something like enter your wallet address to check your statistics? So we just need to, I've already copied my own wallet. We need to paste it here, then we search. So once we search, as you can see, did you see any difference here? Look at it. This is my balance in the app, and this is also in the site. So as you can see, there's no any difference there. So once I reach this 30 Dogecoin, I can be able to withdraw. So what you need to do is just to click on this pay out now. And you can even set auto. You can set auto pay. So you just need to click on this. Once you click on it, whenever your balance reach 30 doji, they will just send it to your wallet. So this is how you withdraw your mining coin. So I think that's all for today. So don't forget, you need to have your malware protection, and also have your what's it called, and also have your antivirus. Any antivirus you're using on your PC, you need to turn it off. As you can see, me, I've already turned my home off. That's why it shows it. Once I click this button now, it will start scanning everywhere again. So and it can delete that app. So don't forget to turn it off also, so that you can be able to mine any coin on your phone, any coin on your system. I mean, so this is how you can mine cryptocurrency with the help of your CPU. And don't forget, this can drain your battery and it can drain anything you are using your system with. So I advise everyone that will practice this, just try to use your old system. Don't use your main system for it. Don't use your main system. So use your what? Your old system, your old PC. So for this. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you love or if you like this kind of content. Please subscribe.